Alright. Putting in some work. Ugh. Well, here this bad boy's coming out of here. This pipe. Boom. Boom. Power should be off. Let's triple check. You got power to ground. Alright. All I gotta do is take that off, go put the thermostat in downstairs, get the prep work done. The only goofy part is I'll have to drill a hole through the curb to fish the wires through, which I already have my bit ready to go. This just fell 3 stories, 2 stories off the roof, 2.5, and it works just fine. Yes, sir. So, anyways, get this out of here. Another neat little trick. Your service wrench will fit these. Your service wrench will fit the gas valve openings too. Let's see. Yeah, hold on. That's a different style. Here, see, there we go. It's a little trick. Used to fight with that for years, and then someone's like, dude, your fucking service wrench fixed that shit. I was like, what? No way. Of course they're gonna put them on crazy tight. But I'm gonna cut new wires. I was just showing you a little trick. Just a little trick or treat. Just a little trick or treat. Oh man. Alright. So when you know, you know. If you know, you know. Alright, easy peasy. Yeah, that's a big boy. Coming out! See you, train. Gas, electrical, low voltage. That's really it. Pretty simple. I'm gonna go downstairs now and put a thermostat in. Alright, this thing is 2 stories tall. Get all this shit unbuttoned up. Out of here. Baby, come on. Drill it up. Sweet. Too shabby. Alright, let's get these little plates off of there. When it's time for the sugar. Alright. Yeah. That looks super not sketchy. Things you gotta do. I tried the broom. No broom. Oh, that took a minute. Alright. Clean as I can get it. That's about it. Whew. Alright. Got my shit pulled through. Got my snapping grommet for there. Things looking good. Crane guy's loading up the unit for me to be a sweetie pie. Oh. There we go. And we rocking, baby. And we rocking. Alright, well, here it comes. Here comes the unit, and that's it's. And that's how you set a 15-ton by yourself. Biatch. Gotta repipe the gas all the way around. That sucks. Other than that, not bad. Alright, let me go down and pay up my crane bill. I don't know, I think this one's probably $800. Somewhere around there. I had a company try to charge me $3,000 to do this. Suck my ass. Every day's a surprise. Look at, there's fucking rats in this one. That's real good. That is crazy. Wow. Unfucking real, dude. That's some crazy ass shit. Always some bullshit. I tell ya. Well, at least that thing's not gonna fall. Alright. Show ya. Low voltage runs around. Look at that bullshit. Low voltage runs around. Little box. Everything's on the opposite side. Fucking sucks. So I got it temped in for now because I don't have any 1-inch on me, but I had this big thick wire, so I can at least get it going for right now, which is good. So it's thick enough, same gauge. So luckily I had that on me to just guttily get this thing going for now. So that's my game plan right now. Just checking my wires. Yep, looks good. Alright, well, holy some shit. I'll tell ya. Alright, well, like I said, I got it temped in for now. Let's get it fired up here. Get the fuck out of here. Alright. Interesting. Pressure bangs on for half a second. Interesting. Blower motor. Blower motor. What am I gonna do about that? I'm just gonna. What are you gonna do? You know what I mean? Like, only so much I can do there. Fucking bullshit. I tried to scrape it with the brush. I'm like, man, you know what? Right now. So this is how we're doing it right now to get them up and going. But I have to come back. That looks absolutely fucking crazy. So, but at least it's good enough for now. So, just gonna kick my ass a little bit. Took them at 3.5 hours here, 4 hours already. Should have been done, but what are you gonna do? All right, up and ripping. All right. Whew. I put some cardboard there for now. I already got the blower set. Hey man, you're out of breath. Yeah, no shit, it's cause I work, bitch. Fuck. Some of you motherfuckers in your comments, some of you are really cool. Some of you motherfuckers, y'all need to go eat a bag of dicks. For real. The fuck? Fucking commented on shit. You ain't got no fucking YouTube channel. Not shit. Put a channel out. Yeah, let's see you put 600 videos out and see what kind of fag boys comment on your shit. So anyways, like I said, most of y'all cool, but I got a couple of y'all on here that are just, y'all some lurkers. You know who you are. You little lurkers. Ugh. Still watching me? I don't blame you. Shit. I'm sexy as a motherfucker. Right. I'll drink a couple beers now. Because I'm the boss, baby. Running call. Alright. Where are we going? We're going up there. We got a walk-in cooler at 55 degrees. So, check it out. See what we got going on here. Bitch! Oh my god. This guy's breathing so heavy. Oh shit, you install a 15-ton by yourself and run 3 calls. Nigga, what the fuck? Fuck out of here. Bad Fanny motor. Oh yeah, no, yeah, it's a hot one. Yeah, that motor's hot. Yeah, it's hot. I knew it. I knew it was gonna be hot. It's hot. Can't touch it. Can't touch the motor. It's hot. Hot motors. Hot motors, can't touch them. Yeah, that's right. Fuck you, Blade. What's up, bitch? Hey, Blade ain't gonna punk me. Not today. Not today. It ain't gonna be today. And if you don't like what you see, you can go fuck yourself. From me, that's what you can do. If you don't wanna watch me, dude, you can go pound sand up your ass. Yeah, you can pound sand up your asshole. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, that's enough of that. I'm gonna get this fucking motor changed out. Oh yeah, boy? You think you're a little nuts? Well, I'm fucking crazy. Alright. New fan motor. There we go. Ta-da!